Hey guys, it's me Sylvia back with another video. Welcome back to my channel. Today's video is sponsored by Function of Beauty, which I am a tray excited about. So we'll talk more about that in a bit because today is definitely hair wash day. I've let myself get a little crusty dusty. You know, it's quarantine, like it's fine. I don't see anyone for them to judge me on not washing my hair. I'm gonna bring you along all day today and kind of vlog. You guys can just kind of get an inside look at what I've been doing. So it is the morning time right now. That's a lie. It's definitely early afternoon. Is anybody else's sleep schedule just like hella thrown off since quarantine? It is what it is. So I'm gonna get my butt up, we'll go shower and start the day. What we have on the agenda today, I'm gonna announce the giveaway winners. I'm going to play with this lip balm kit, DIY lip balm kit that I got. I'm going to freshen up my press-ons, have a couple TikToks I wanna film, give you an update on the house I'm staying at right now because it is not my home. So stay tuned. Before we get started with the video, I just am gonna make sure that you're subscribed to my channel. Click the subscribe button and join my S Club. We are the best club on YouTube. So hit the notification bell so you're notified every time we drop a new video. And yeah, without further ado, let's get the day started. The day started without me, let's be real. So my morning routine these days has been waking up really late. I'm super groggy, so I'll try and freshen up, take a shower to wake myself up a bit. So I'll be using my Function of Beauty shampoo and conditioner. Now this brand lets you completely customize your shampoo and conditioner formula. I went on the site, you fill out a 2-minute quiz and asks you a bunch of questions about your hair, and then it creates your customized shampoo and conditioner based off of that. And they're cruelty-free, vegan, really clean formulas. So I love that. You're not using harsh chemicals on your hair. And then the biggest thing is choosing your hair goals. So I wanted a formula that helps to fix split ends. I also have colored hair, so I wanted something with color protection, and my hair gets really oily super easily, so I wanted oil control. And then you choose your fragrance preference. So I ended up choosing shea butter and vanilla. It smells so good. You even choose how mild you want it or how strong you want the fragrance, and you can go as far as choosing the color of your shampoo and conditioner. I ended up choosing no dye, and then you can even choose an extra custom hair product to add to your order, and I chose their hair serum because I always use a hair serum to just help with dryness, make it nice and silky smooth. So you end up just creating your own totally personalized regimen, and I wanted to give it a couple months before giving my final thoughts on it to really see if I noticed a difference, and I have been loving it, especially with the color protection that I wanted. With quarantine, I haven't been able to get my color freshened up. Obviously, we can't go to the hairstylist, and I feel like it's been holding up so much better. It's not getting brassy. I feel like my split ends have definitely significantly improved, and my hair just overall feels a lot like silkier. So I'm down with this whole personalized thing. I feel extra bougie because you make it exactly how you want. So I've been super happy with them. I'm going to continue to finish the bottles, and I'll probably try customizing it a different way next time just to kind of play the field a little bit. So I will leave the link in the description, and using that link you can get 20% off your first order should you want to try customizing your own hair products. But I've let my hair kind of air dry. It dries really quickly, and I've also been trying not to use heat on it during quarantine. Now let's carry on with our day. So I've made Prince food. Obviously I have to feed my dog in the morning and feed myself, but usually I don't eat much of a big breakfast. So I just have some fruit here today. Nom, 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 nom. Staying healthy, delicious. Drinking my coffee. I'll usually take this time to kind of figure out what my plan is for the day, like what I need to be doing. So I have my handy dandy little journal here. And even if I don't have like a super productive work day, even just writing a list on like the little things I have to do, like if I plan on doing laundry that day or whatever it is, I will write down every single thing that I want to do on the list and then scratch them off as I get them done. And even if it's just like chores around the house, it'll kind of still make me feel productive. Otherwise, I'll probably end up spending the whole day watching TikToks on the couch. So even the little things help to write down on the list for me. We got things to do. When I'm drinking my coffee too, I'll try and go on my laptop. I will check my email. I've also really been addicted to Animal Crossing during quarantine. So in the mornings, I'll usually try and hop on there really quick and do like my daily tasks so I don't miss out on getting those coins, you know? I'm not like super far along in the storyline, so I don't have like a crazy cool island to show you guys or anything, but if you don't play Animal Crossing, then you probably don't care anyway, so it's fine. But I can show you my Sims that I made of me and Charles. You guys, I worked so hard on trying to make these Sims look exactly like us. I feel like Charlie's looks a lot more like him than my girl looks of me, but like you can't tell me that that's not his twin. That looks exactly like him. Even the outfit's on point, like of course. And this is my girl. Notice the custom jeans. I had to download like one of those plugins or whatever for that. The outfit's fire. So my girl's face, like low-key what I wish I looked like, but it's fine, we'll pretend that it's me. So spending a lot of my time gaming during quarantine, which I didn't expect for myself, but also kind of loving it, so not mad at it. But now let's give you an update on what's going on with where I'm staying at. Cue the tour. So we're quarantined back in Canada. We flew from LA when they were talking about closing down the borders because obviously we wanted to be closer to our families in case anybody got sick, God forbid. And this is the temporary home that we're staying in. We were lucky enough to find a beautiful, fully furnished house to stay in for the next little while. Since a couple months ago, we actually sold our house in Canada and obviously did not expect a pandemic. So right now we're kind of in between houses, but this one is furnished so cute. So I wanted to show you guys, give you the little tour, and basically we'll be quarantined here until they open the borders back up and we're able to fly back to LA to our home. Oh my God, I miss it. I miss it so much. But yeah, this house is sick, so enjoy the tour. And then this is the massive basement that I'm trying to set up my filming stuff, but I'm having a little bit of issues because for some reason the electrical situation in this house is not enough to power my lights. So I'm having issues. Makeup videos on hold until further notice. So yeah, it's kind of been feeling like we're on vacation because we're still living out of our suitcases. So it's been kind of hard to find motivation. So low-key, that's kind of why I'm like trying to give my days more routine and writing things down, making lists, just do little things to keep myself from vegetating, basically. Speaking of which, now is about the time that I would go and do my hair and makeup, try and make myself look cute, feel cute for whatever it is that I have to do that day. The bathroom has been my makeup station. So this is basically my travel makeup bag, kind of like my go-to goodies. And honestly, I haven't even been doing like crazy looks or going off with my makeup during quarantine. Like a girl could not be bothered. Let's begin. I've done my skincare routine already, always. I've gotten so pale that none of the foundations that I actually brought with me match me anymore. So what I've been doing is like one pump of my foundation and mixing it with the lightest concealer that I brought. I'm so pale. We need sun. Times like this, I've been missing that LA weather. And while I do my makeup, I take my sweet time. I usually put something on my iPad to watch. I watch a lot of Netflix, I'm not gonna lie. Right now I've been binging like all of the Bachelor in Paradise seasons. Guilty. Knocking on heaven's door, paradise. It's hard out here for a beauty queen. You know, all those appointments of laser hair removal, gone to waste. The hair is growing back. Lip filler, gone. She's reverting back to her old form and it's scary. It's scary. You're about to see old Sylvia back with no upper lip. Okay, it is what it is. We're all going through it. I'm about to be all natural and not by choice. I'm stressed. Makeup is done, and I don't know who I was trying to fool by saying I wasn't gonna do too much. This always happens. Like, she went full glam. She looked cute though. Now it's time to style my hair. I'm gonna do something really quick and easy. Like I said, I've been trying not to style with heat. So I've just been styling my hair in like buns, a lot of French braids, just throwing it up in a scrunchie, slick low buns, basically anything that doesn't require heat, you know? So randomly I found this kids lip balm maker literally months ago and never got around to doing it. So just opening everything up. What? Got a little mirror. Okay, it's for ages 6+, so the fact that I'm struggling to even unpackage everything right now is a little concerning to me. But let's be real, I'm still excited about this and I'm a full-on adult, so. Is it just for kids? Not if you're asking me. We'll call this our home base. I don't know how it goes together. Where are the instructions? Honestly. What 6-year-old is reading all this? Even comes with a little mixing tub, little spatulas, so cute. Just taking some time to set up our home base. Oh my God, set up our home base. I'm one of those people that can't even put together little Kinder Egg surprise toys, so who told me this would be a good idea? Gotta add our little sticker. There we go, home base is done. It's a little finicky, it's fine. Now I'm gonna make the little mixture. We have our wax chips, we have the wax base, and then basically you just add your own flavoring to it. And this little bottle is for shimmer, so you know I'm gonna add a lot of that. Let's do it. Finally, our lip balms are done. Honestly, that took way longer than expected. Probably because I was also trying to multitask and do a TikTok of me doing this. I guess I'm not that great of a multitasker because it took like 10 times longer. Also, don't know how this is like a toy for 6-year-olds. I feel like it was actually kind of complex from figuring out the ratios to actually pouring in the liquid. Like, I guess if your parent is doing it all for you, like a 6-year-old could not do this. There's no way. I even went as far as decorating it like they say you can. I put hashtag poppin' because my lips are about to be poppin'. The little stickers, trash. They don't even stick on. Moment of truth. Let's apply. So hydrating. Look at that shine, girl. Oh, wow. It's actually hella soft. I didn't put too much like the pink dye in mine because I didn't want it to stain my lips too pink. I kind of like it natural looking, but I went off with the lip shimmer and clearly it paid off. Ooh, this feels like way more hydrating than my regular lip balms, you guys. I am loving it. Ooh, juicy, shiny. Smells good. So I mean, final verdict, my lips look juicy AF. That was a lot of fun to do. Killed some of my boredom during quarantine. I'm gonna say this little kit was definitely worth it. I had a lot of fun with it. And now we got ourselves some DIY lip balms. You can never have too many lip balms, let's be real. This was cute, faux show. So now that our lip balm making session was a success, right now I do want to update my nails. They are looking crusty dusty. So I have been using these really great nail sets that I found at Shoppers Drug Mart. Like, look how cute these sets are. Probably do this one. That looks expensive and they were all under $20. I think they're around $15. They actually last a pretty long time. I would say like just as long as acrylics, if not longer, because as they kind of pop off, you can just replace them. Like, I had these on for 2 weeks already and this was the only one that came off. Let me show you how I apply them. First step, what I do, each kit comes with one of these like nail filers and buffers. So I find before gluing, it really helps the fake nail stick on a lot better to your natural nail if you kind of buff off one layer before gluing down. That's just kind of what works for me and keeps them lasting a lot longer. And then I'll kind of push back my cuticles with this little tool that comes with it. And then I'll just pick out the right sizes for my nails. And now they're ready to be glued down. I always put a layer right on the back of the fake nail and also a layer on my own nail. And I make sure to hold it down for like 30 seconds, make sure it's stuck on there. So there we go, my nails are done. I mean, this set is a little extra for staying home, being quarantined, but I mean, I am sitting here in full glam and I haven't gone outside today. So that's just the kind of girl I am. Now to announce the giveaway winners. A few videos back, I announced a giveaway with 3 prizes to be won and I have chosen the winners. Thank you so much to everybody who entered and who supports me, watches my videos. I'll pop up the winners on the screen right here. They have already been contacted and will be getting their goodies very soon, but don't be discouraged if you didn't win this one. Be sure to be following my Instagram because I am going to be doing little one-off type of giveaways here and there. And on that note, I think I'll close off the video. I hope you guys enjoyed this little sneak peek on what my boring days are looking like while self-quarantined. Today was like a good kind of general idea of what I've been doing, playing Animal Crossing, filming here and there, a lot of TikToks, a lot of random stuff just to kill the time. And you got an update on my current situation, not being in my own house or anything. So now you'll know why if you see a lot of repeat outfits or you see a lot of repeat makeup products. It is what it is. We're all making do with the current situation. And I hope you guys are liking these more lifestyle videos. Make sure you follow my TikTok so you can see what I've been getting up to on there. But that's all for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, don't forget to subscribe before you go. Check out the S Club apparel by clicking up here. And don't quit watching me now, okay? Binge, watch my other videos or I'll be really sad if you don't. See you in my next one. Bye. Mwah. Bye.